Welcome to this video on getting started with FCS Express. To begin, click New Layout to open a blank workspace. Next, import your experimental data by dragging your FCS files into the data list or clicking the plus icon to browse and add them manually. To visualize your data, drag a file into the layout and select the plot type. FCS Express allows you to choose from a range of plot types, including dot, density, histogram, and more. You can apply the same plot type to all files, or adjust the plot type simply by clicking the plot and choosing Change Plot Type under the Format tab. To change plot parameters, click directly on the axes. For example, switch to SSC versus CD45 to view scatter characteristics. Use the Gating tab to apply gates. Select a gate type, then click on the plot to define its shape. Name your gate and press OK. You can explore your data further by dragging and dropping a gate onto the layout to create a new gated plot. Then adjust axes or draw additional gates to isolate specific cell types. The Gate Navigator displays your gate hierarchy. From here, you can rename, delete, or reapply gates to any plot. Each plot displays default statistics. For easy reference, you can add statistics to your layout by right-clicking a plot and choosing Statistics, then Gate Statistics. If you want to adjust the statistics table, simply right-click and select Format to choose which statistics you want to display. Before batching, you can preview your data files using the Next and Previous buttons in the Data tab, which lets you scan through samples without duplicating plots. To export your results, go to the Batch and Export tab. Open the Actions and Reports window, choose Save to PowerPoint, set your file path, and click OK. Alternatively, choose Export to Excel column mode for spreadsheets. Set your file path and pick which statistics you want to include, such as file names, event counts, and MFI values. When you're ready, click Run to process all files. FCS Express will iterate through your dataset and automatically generate your PowerPoint and Excel reports. To save your work, go to File, Save As. Choose how you want the data saved, linked, embedded, or unlinked. Pick a location and click Save. And that's how to get started with FCS Express. To learn more, visit denovosoftware.com or email us at support@denovosoftware.com.